Today's feature is on the latest Long Tomica release, the Michelin Motorsports Transporter. This transporter pairs very well with the TCN exclusive. Although there's a huge difference in scale, this Michelin livery is always the collector's favorite. I'm very happy that it falls under the Tomica line. The livery is always very iconic with the Michelin Man, and the color is always very stunning. I'm not really a big fan of Long Tomica because of its scale, but I decided to pick up this casting without any hesitation because of its Michelin Man livery. First impression, the color is vibrant, it looks great. This Michelin Man is very iconic and it stands out against the background. The Michelin tagline, developing technology in competition, is also printed on the casting. It's a 10-wheeler casting with functioning door at the rear. The trunk is able to swivel left and right smoothly with the option of removing it. Although there's a huge difference in scale between these two castings, they pair very well thanks to the Michelin Man who unites them. And if you do not have any Long Tomica in your collection, I believe the Michelin Man Transporter is a very good casting to start with. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!